we have the X-ray of your whole leg on the right side, on the left side, and the red line, this is the axis.
Okay.
And they should go from the middle of the hip joint through the middle of the knee joint, which is here the case, but not on the right side, and through the middle of the ankle joint. So here you have a little bit of a varus deformity.
Okay.
Here the axis is correct.
Okay.
Okay. And here you have also what we will see in the MRI sign that there could be a meniscal damage, and this is also can be related to this axis where most of the weight goes here to the inner part of the knee joint. Also, if you look here at the ankle joint, they are a little bit oblique.
Okay.
So they are a little bit like this, and they should be like that.
Okay.
And this can lead also to sharecrafts on the cartilage, and this is why the cartilage gets a little bit disappointed.
Okay.
So let's have a look at both of your shoulder joints. This is the right shoulder joint. This is the left shoulder joint. Here, this is the ball of the shoulder joint. This is the socket. Here, the ball. This is the socket. And what we can see here is a little bit spicula. This is a little bit addition, and also here. And this is sign of beginning arthritis.
Okay.
So this is also what can be felt when I touch and move your joint.
Okay.
So let's have a look on your knee and ankle joint and hip joints. So now we have here your right knee joint, and this is the left knee joint. Here is the look from the front.
Okay.
Cut through like this. And here this is this way. Okay. As if you look towards it. This is from the side. So let's start with this knee joint. Here, these are the menisci. This is a meniscus. This is a meniscus. Here is outside meniscus, inside meniscus. And what we can see here the whole body is intact, and here we can see very clearly a line. Where the meniscus is interrupted, and this is a tear. Okay. And this can be sutured. Okay. So we have to do arthroscopy. Okay. The small instruments like this. Is one camera and one incision small 7mm to put some instruments inside. And with these instruments we can suture them. Okay. Also, we can see here that the cartilage is irregular. So also this is a sign of early arthritis. And on your left knee, we can see here there's a small bend. This is called plica. And usually what they are doing when you move your joint, they are rubbing over the cartilage. Okay. And this can lead, we can feel it when I touched your knee. And this is not a big deal, but we have to cut it so that it's not rubbing anymore. Okay. And we can see also when we go through here, we can see also that the cartilage has different thickness as a sign of also arthritis. Okay. So for both knee joints, we should do arthroscopy. Okay. This will help a lot. And according to the other joints, I recommend to do injections with PRP. Okay. This is platelet-rich plasma. Okay. We inject it into the joints, and in your case, in all 4 joints, in order to get a regeneration of the cartilage. Okay. This is working against the arthritis. Okay. And we have to do it for each joint 3 times. Okay. With every week 1 injection. Once a week, 3 weeks. We can combine this injection with arthroscopy. For the arthroscopy, you need to have general anesthesia. You need to sleep so that we can work there. And this has the advantage that you don't feel anything when we do the injection.
I prefer to be put to sleep, I think, anyway.
Yes, it's much more comfortable for you. And also what I would like to recommend is, beside the fact that we do in all 4 joints the PRP injection, PRP comes from your own blood. So you take your own blood, this will be processed in a special way, And these platelets, which we are extracting, will be processed in a centrifuge and so on. They have cross plates.
Okay.
They have cross factors.
Okay.
And these cross factors help to regenerate the cartilage.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why this is good against arthritis.
Okay.
Yeah. And what I also like to recommend, because you have this pain when we move your hip joint, this comes from the capsule.
Okay.
And this capsule has an inflammation, and this inflammation we can treat with only at the capsule, not into the joint.
Okay.
Only at the capsule with injection of a little bit of cortisone, which is anti-inflammatory,
okay.
and together with a local anesthetic on both sides, and we immediately can do the physiotherapy. Then it's not painful, and you have the anti-inflammatory medication on the capsule, and this is less painful for you to do the exercises, and we have better success, also a long-lasting effect.
Perfect. Yeah,
shall we do it like this?
Yes, let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah. You have any questions?
No, I just want to get my body back working out.
Back to track, huh?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, let's do it like this.
Thank you, Doctor.
Welcome.